Good morning, everybody. I am Sokha come from Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Today, I would like to share with you my exercise in front of house. Yes. When you get up in the morning, yeah. I always say the first time you drink water. Yeah. Drink water in the morning is best for you. You long time you sleeping. 6 hours, 7 hours, and 8 hours sleeping. Yeah, you cannot drink water. Yeah. You get up, the first time drink water. After that, and make alignment. Hold your body. Hold your body. Yeah. You can do every day. You're healthy and strong for the body. Yeah. Exercise in the morning. Yeah. You can pretend. You can exercise in the morning. Yeah. Yeah. You know, time, afternoon and evening and night. Yeah. You spend a little time to exercise every day. Yeah. Let's get started to practice a warm up in the morning.